and I welcome all of you to my channel Gaming with Faraz. So uh, today we are going to be continuing our series on HTML. So in the last tutorial I talked about what is a HTML and its definitions, what is a tag, so what is a basic structure. If you haven't seen that video, I suggest you to go down in the description and get that video. So in this video we're going to be doing more practical. We will be moving more forward for developing our HTML pages. So you see, for writing an HTML code, there is no special tool required for you. It's not required or necessary. You can still do your HTML coding in your notepad itself, which is built in your Windows. Or if you want more like programmer interface version, then you can go with Notepad++. That's what I suggest to you. So let us go onto the screen and see what we have got here. So you have to go to new. You have to open the notepad, or if you want, you can open Notepad++ right there. Yeah. So there is certain coding. I want to delete this. Now let's start with here. So I told you that every single page of HTML is going to be starting with every HTML page is going to be will start with what it is called as doc type, less than symbol, exclamation mark, then you have doc type space, the version that I'm using your HTML. Okay, that's enter. That's your first tag. So this is a compulsory tag, but it's not an HTML tag actually. That is an instruction to the web browser that I'm gonna be using this version of HTML. Like if you're using XML, you can write XML there. Now second line. The second line is the HTML tag, HTML, opening one, and you have HTML closing one. Within this you can have entire code, right? Whatever you want you can write here with a certain structure that I have shown you. So into this code, what we have seen, I think we have seen the head tag, right? Head tag, right? Angular braces, you have head tag, opening head tag, then you have closing head tag. Within this you will have again title tag. This is the basic structure. If you haven't seen the previous video, I suggest you to go down in the description and see that video, because that's going to be useful for it. So within this title I can like specify what I want to appear on that bar whenever user is clicking my website or certain things. So if I want Google, I'll write here just Google. And that's what, like on my page I'll see Google on that bar, not on the page, sorry. On the bar you'll see that just Google or google.com, anything you want it. Next. That's it. Now I'm done with the title. So what about the body? I'm gonna be starting the body tag here. Body. There we go, body opening, and and you go with body closing one, and within this you can have your paragraphs and headings and so on and so forth. So first thing I'm gonna take here is the heading. So to specify a heading, we are having 6, like from H1 to H6. These are the sizes you have for heading. So I'm gonna go with the heading, and my heading is gonna be this is my first HTML page. So space, and gonna be ending this H1. There it is. That's it. Now after the heading you can have your paragraph, whatever the content you have in this one. So I don't want to write much things here, so I'll write HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. That's what I want to write here, and I'm going to end my paragraph. That's it. I've taken HTML opening and closing, you can see here. So because I'm using the Notepad++, it is providing me a more programmer interface to me. So I can understand opening HTML and closing HTML. When you have opening head and closing head, you have opening title and closing title, and you have opening and ending body, and you have heading and paragraph. So this is just a basic structure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be saving this as save. So I want to save this as, you want to save this, right? That, so it is a landing page, means this is a default HTML page actually. Okay, so every most servers will return this page if a connection is made without specifying a file. So I'm going to be taking the name as index.html. So you have to see this save type as, there are so many things here. You have to change this to all, or you can select the Hypertext Markup Language. It's already been specified. I keep it as all. So you go, I already have that file, so I'm gonna be like replacing it. Yes, the file already open. So okay, I'm gonna save it. Now I'm gonna open the index.html. You can see here, there is my index, this file. That's it. So you see that, you see here the first thing, whatever the heading I have returned, it's being bigger, and on the bar you can see it is google.com, and the HTML stands for that is a paragraph. So it is just a basic page, and this is a basic page, and like more practically we will see that how to insert images, and we will see the concept of attributes soon, and in that I'll explain how you're gonna be like coloring. You can change the means your font. You can bold it, you can do an italic form, and so on and so forth. We will be seeing that advanced mode, means more advanced than this basic video in the next videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video and understood what all I have done in this code. Again, short explanation, dog type, which every HTML page should have. HTML starting and ending, head. Within that you should have a title, and what the title name you want, you're gonna write that here. So in the body you can have headings, paragraph, and so on and so forth. So in the next video I'll be like specifying about the attributes. What are attributes? So how you're gonna be using those attributes in the next video. I'm gonna be specifying that. So stay tuned with me. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please give up a subscribe, like this video, and press the bell icon. Thank you. That's it guys for today. You can subscribe for more such videos. Thank you very much.